Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best professional cake decorating kit, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Delightful Cake Mastery. Unleash your inner pastry artist and create stunning confections that leave a lasting impression. The Rafac 700-piece Ultimate Decorating Kit is designed to transform baking into an expressive and joyful experience. With everything you need, including a rotating cake stand and a variety of specialized tools, this kit empowers you to craft delicious masterpieces that reflect your unique style. Imagine the smiles on loved ones' faces as they indulge in your beautifully decorated treats, made effortlessly with numbered piping tips and fondant tools. This all-in-one kit invites you to explore your creativity, making baking not just a task but a cherished memory. Embrace this opportunity to elevate your baking endeavors and make every occasion unforgettable. Let your creations speak volumes that words sometimes cannot express, and bring joy to your kitchen today. Number 2. Transform your baking dreams with Kutech Cake Decorating Kit. Elevate your baking artistry with the Kutech Aluminum Cake Turntable and Decorating Kit. Imagine the joy of creating stunning cakes that become the centerpiece of your celebrations. This exceptional kit invites you into a world where creativity knows no bounds. Each item has been thoughtfully crafted to inspire and enhance your decorating experience. From the smooth rotation of the turntable to the precision of the icing piping tips, every detail serves to ignite your passion and confidence. Picture friends and family gathered, admiring your beautiful creations as the sweet smell of fresh cake fills the air. With 35 essential tools at your fingertips, you have everything you need to craft delightful masterpieces that reflect your personal touch. Embrace the art of cake decoration and transform ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Number 3. Ultimate Cake Decorating Kit. Transform your baking experience with the Ultimate Cake Decorating Kit, containing 678 essential pieces to elevate your culinary creations. Imagine delighting your loved ones with visually stunning cakes and cupcakes, shaped perfectly with your personalized touch. The set includes a secure cake and cupcake carrier, enabling you to showcase your masterpieces wherever you go. A sturdy cake stand turntable allows for effortless decorating, while an array of piping bags, Russian and rose icing tips opens the door to endless creativity. Spring-form pans give you the freedom to bake delicate cheesecakes or layered delights, ensuring your treats impress at every celebration. Unleash your inner artist and let your desserts tell a story that captures hearts and taste buds alike. Make memorable moments sweeter and invest in this comprehensive kit to experience the joy of baking like never before. Number 4. Kutech Cake Decorating Dream Kit. Transform your baking experience with the Kutech Cake Decorating Dream Kit. Imagine the joy of creating stunning cakes that captivate everyone. This kit is not just about decorating. It is an emotional journey that allows you to express yourself through every swirl of frosting. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced baker, the thoughtfully designed tools inspire your creativity. Picture yourself hosting gatherings where your beautifully decorated treats become the centerpiece of every celebration, sparking joy and fostering connections. Every tool in this collection is crafted to help you achieve professional results, making your baking adventures unforgettable. Embrace this opportunity to bring your vision to life and share moments of happiness with loved ones. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Kutech Cake Decorating Dream Kit and turn ordinary occasions into extraordinary memories. Create, celebrate, and inspire with every delicious creation. Number 5. Ultimate Cake Decorating Mastery Set. Transform your baking dreams into stunning realities with the Ultimate Cake Decorating Mastery Set. This enchanting collection will awaken your inner pastry artist, perfect for birthdays and celebrations. Imagine the smiles that will light up when they see your beautifully decorated cakes. Each piece, from the versatile cake stand turntable to an array of over 30 piping bags and 24 piping tips, promises creativity and joy. With offset and straight spatulas, scrapers, and leveler included, your journey to perfection is supported every step of the way. Easy to use yet incredibly professional, this set caters to all skill levels. Let your imagination flow as you create cakes that not only taste divine but are also masterpieces to behold. Elevate your special moments and feel the magic of baking come alive. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.